We are going to talk for a use case of process builder and flow here. So currently I am on opportunity record. You can see requirement is child object of opportunity. So when I open this record and when I go in related list, you can see we have another object project task, which is child of requirement object. So our use case is when this opportunity record will mark as closed one, means when a stage will change, then we need to create the record of project task under each requirements where name equal to HO closing documents. Means currently we have 3 requirements record, but project task will be created for these HO closing documents. Okay, so now I am going to create a flow first. So click on setup, flow, new flow. So firstly I'm going to drag get records elements. Means we will write a process builder on the criteria with opportunity stage closed one. Then from process builder we'll call this flow, and in flow we'll find each record with name equal to HO closing documents under the opportunity. Okay, so give a name, find all. Okay, now get record of this object. Which object? You can say requirements object. So yes, object requirement API name is current condition. Now we need to filter condition are met, fails. So opportunity C already filled on this requirement because I told that this is child record. So yes, opportunity C equals create a new variable here, new resource variable API give a name where opportunity ID, data type give a plain text here, and now this is very important, available for input. Means when I mark this available for input, then we can set this variable value from outside. So we'll call this flow from process builder. So we will set the value of this variable from process builder. So I marked available for input. Done. So here we need to choose this variable, newly created variable where opportunity ID. Okay, you can leave this not sorted, or you can sort this, no issue. Now go ahead. How many record to store? Of course, all records. Yes. And one more thing, we need to add one more condition. What? Name equals HO closing documents. Because I don't want to query this record. We only need HO closing documents. So name equals, hard code these things here. Oh, what happened? Yeah, HO closing documents. Now how many record? All record. Select variable to store these records. Means when find requirement records will execute, means something we are fetching records from database, then where to store? So yes, record collection variable, create a new resource, Which type? Variables. API name, give a name, list of requirements. Okay. Data type will be record here, and very important thing, allow multiple values, because in previous we can get multiple records. So we are going to store in collections. So allow multiple value. Which object? So variable will be requirement. Requirement object, and done. So choose this newly created variable, list of requirement. Now here we can define fields. So ID field will be by default fetched. We can add something, name field here. Optionally, I don't think required, but you can add multiple field, add field. Now done. Okay. So we have now fetched all the child record of this opportunity for requirement object. Now I'm going to drag a loop. So give a name. Now loop on which variable? So remember we have created list of requirement now. So list of requirement. Uh, give it first to last item. Yes. Now we need to choose a loop variable. So loop variable something, we are going to iterate the loop on this list. So these records will come one by one from list, normal looping concept. So go here and we need to create a new resource again. So type will be variable here. API name where requirement. Now record, and this will be false. Okay, we're not going to check here because we are going to store a single record here, and record still we are on requirement. So choose the requirement object. Then so choose it from where requirement. Now done. Okay. Now I think we can link this. Start will link to find all requirement. Then this will go to for each loop here. Okay. Now I'm going in a manager and create a new resource. Again, we are going to create a variable. Variable name will be where project task. Their type will be required, and object will be project task. You know why? We have to create a record of project task, right? This one. So object will be project task. Done. And of course multiple project tasks can be created, because in our example you can see we have two HO closing documents. So of course two record will be created. So again we need a list. So click on new resource again. Now variable, give lst project task. Okay. Data type still record here. Object will be project task, and of course this will be allow multiple values. Now done. We can see we have 5 variable currently. So let me check. Record of project task. Good. Record list of project task. Yes. Now when this for loop will be iterated, then we need to drag on assignment element. So give a name, assign new project task. Okay, set variable value where project task dot requirement C equals, choose a variable. Remember, we have recently created a var requirement and dot id. Let me show you again. Here we have created var requirement now, like for loop will be uh, execute, loop will be run on this list, then individually record will be going var requirement. So I am using that var requirement dot id here. Okay, so in assignment we are assigning var project task, which is a new variable we created recently. So project task dot requirement equals var requirement dot id. Again assignment var project task dot name equal, you can give demo project from flow. Okay, you can add another value from here where project task dot, and then maybe required field, maybe you have some master details or any field you can assign from here, but for now I'm going with these both. Okay, now done. So link this for loop here. So for each item in the collection, yes, done. Now I'm going to drag another assignment. Add project task in a list. So now variable list. Remember we have created list of project tasks now. So list of project tasks. Add list has a method add what var requirement. Sorry, var project, I guess, right? Var project task. So list of project tasks, add var project task. Means we are adding individual project task record in list of project task variable. Done. So of course you can think, okay, for loop going to link with this assignment, so this will go to link with this one, right? So here assignment will done, then list will be prepared, and now we need to close this loop by going back here. So just think, suppose we have two requirement record. So list has two record, then first record will go here, assignment will happen, list will created, again loop will come here, second requirement record will come in picture, it will go here, assignment will happen, and now it will added in list. So what next? Yes, right, drag a new element, create records. So what we need to create project task and how many record to create? Multiple, na? So if we choose multiple, then we need to choose collection variable. So yes, recently we have prepared our list of project tasks. Done. Remember we have created list of project tasks here, na? List of project tasks. So I have chosen how many record to create, multiple, and list of project tasks. So yes, you can see this loop will link to this one. Okay, let me, yeah, now good. Save it, give a name, create project task record. Okay, type will be auto launched because we'll call this flow from process builder. Save it. Now you can debug from here. So basically, what is debugging? You can choose any opportunity ID, maybe this opportunity ID, and you can enter here. Now we'll run. If everything good, then you can see, wow, nice. You can see debugging. You can check from here like every variable assignment. So I think everything good here because variable you can see first create. So when I open these HO closing documents, then we must have a child record. Let me check. Yes, very good. Testing was good. So uh, yes, so it means our flow is good. So go back, close this one. You can run again. You can also change input and test, but close this one and go back. Now this one, we need to activate this flow. Okay, so now this flow has been activated. So for real-time testing, we need to create a process builder. So new process builder, give a name. Okay, select record change. Now save it. Add an object. We are an opportunity here. Opportunity object. When record is created or edited, yes. Save it. Add a criteria. So stage. Yes, equals closed one. Now add row and stage is change true. Okay, save it. Add an action. In action call flows, and you can give a name, action name, something call flow. Find a flow. So I have created recently. Create project task records. Okay, so create project task records, and here set flow variables. So click add row, and you can see where opportunity ID. Remember, we have created 5 variables, but only one is visible because for this variable I have checked allow input, right? So where opportunity ID, field reference. So of course, opportunity ID here. Change this, and now save it. Time for testing. Activate this flow. Okay. So I think let me delete this child record. Okay. So I'm going to close this opportunity. Okay. Let me open this record again. Open and demo 0. You can see project task 0 here. 0. So now I'm going to change the status of opportunity. Closed one. Save it. Okay. Now let me refresh. So yes, we should be demo project from flow. I have hard coded name there. And under this HO closing documents, yes, but here it's not 0 because name was demo. Okay, so I hope this is helpful. If any issue, let me know. Thank you.